which case applicable?
Session case number 11 to 25. State versus Minnesota.
Are you for this person?
Yes.
Receipt.
UTP.
Food support for produce. Yoki in Bangladesh.
I have some.
In this case, it's 6 for evidence. The witness I have not seen, Yana. He's the IO. No, you're not yet, Yana.
They have to come.
Yes, Yana, you have to come. Yes, Yana.
So we'll wait.
Yes, Yana.
Session case number 10 to 25. State versus Abulmir.
Who is up to me? Who is for?
6 for judgment, Yana.
Who is up to me?
And she's appearing through VCMA, defense counsel.
Dear, thank you.
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
is the accused? By the way, dear, thank you. Can you hear us? I think something wrong. Something wrong with the speaker. Yesterday also nobody could hear us.
No, ma'am.
Dear, thank you. Can you hear us? Are we audible to you? Are we audible to you? Can you hear us? Can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Where are your accused?
They are on the way, ma'am. I have contacted them. They said they are almost reaching, ma'am.
Almost reaching? Okay, we'll just
Yes,
wait.
ma'am. Reach.
We'll just wait a while. Judgment is ready.
Session case number 12 to 25. State versus Palmer Center.
Who is Paul Snyder? Who is for Paul Snyder?
You more claim, ma'am.
You more clear. You come along in your case? Or the one? Witnesses are on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No, when she played last time, she were against him because he refused
Yes, ma'am.
to come. But he's not yet produced. No report. I should. No. Where from? He is from where? He's from where? This one?
From Trongpleng side, ma'am.
From the side.
Yes, ma'am.
There's no report. She is on the way or she will not be available?
She's on the way, ma'am.
On the way.
Yes, ma'am.
Accused Laura's name is absent. Are you sure she will come?
Yes, ma'am. She had called me yesterday. She came, ma'am.
Oh, okay. By the way, your accused will come or not? No, you have no idea.
No, actually, I called his parents yesterday. Then his father said like he's at home. He's going for work every day, but then he did not listen to them to come to the court.
Okay. Is absent. Is absent. His learner defense is present as she submitted that she had again contacted his mother, but they you contact the parents, no? The parents, his parents, but they informed that the accused is very much at home, that the accused is very much at home, and going to work every day, going to work in the field every day, but he adamantly refused to listen to them, to come to court, for some. NBWA there was issued against him on the last date has not yet returned. Was done for some and that should cause notice be issued to the OC of the PS concerned of the PS concerned as to why the SDWA issued by this court should not be reported, should not be returned to this court with report as to whether it's executed or not. So, the should notice issued to the OC of the PS concerned with direction to personally produce the accused person on the date fixed without fail. Then the additional PP is present. Witness Mutadne?
No, ma'am.
Oh, because it's properly in charge, additional charge.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's present. He'll take step otherwise.
Yes, ma'am. Already take steps.
Otherwise, it is also fixed for the additional charge to the accused person.
Morning, madam.
Comfort?
Instead of PI, because he told me that he went to District Council Court today, and regarding that NBWA against the accused August matter, he told me to inform you that the IC of Gumagat went to arrest him from his place at Klong Pleng, but he could not be found, so instead he will furnish a WT report.
There is no WT report. I am ordered to issue cause notice to the concern. Yes.
He said he will furnish it today.
Where's the WT message?
Not yet brought to us yet.
I have passed this order. Otherwise, he is very much at home. It is reported by the parents on her contact. They say he is very much at home, going to his work in his field every day. And why the in charge is lying? And WT message has not read.
I have been contacted by those MPRO people, and I said I'm already in the office because I stay nearby. So
Now I'm just asking you, has the WT message reached?
No.
Not yet. So my order to issue show cause notice to the OC of the PS concerned is will stay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I ignore whatever you submit. Because no use, no writing. Okay, okay, I can write otherwise the case was of discussion. Okay, I'll write. The court PI staff appeared and informed that the PI, where is he?
District Council Court, ma'am.
Is the PI who is attending. Yes, or what?
He did not inform me, ma'am. He only told me to only that much.
District Council Court has sent information that he received from in charge of Gomakat, outpost of what?
Gumagat is a checkpost.
Checkpost. that he has tried to execute the MBWA against the accused, but he could not find, he could not be found at home, which is contradictory, which is contrary to the submission made by the learned defense. Defense who had contacted his parents that he is very much at home and going to work every day. Going to work in the field every day. So hence the show cause notice issued to the COP response. What will be the next step? I think it's better to procure the accused first.
Yes, ma'am.
No. So, additional duties. The steps to witnesses will be reissued only after the clearance of the case. Maybe. Where will be the next step? Where will be the next step?
The difference. Not 13 August.
No?
13 August.
13, no?
1, 3,
Once, yeah.
1, 3.
Good deal.
Just call him or Clint just now. Oh, you got the Frida one and that. Just now. Abul Mia. Who knows the language? Bengali language? Nobody knows. Then it's difficult. Hindi apa? Can you help me? Okay. Yes. English भी आता? Okay. बैठो. You Mokri, my advice to you. Because the parents were with us.
Yes.
Right. So on his procurance, tell the parents to come here, withdraw themselves. Then let the prosecution file a petition to consult with. Because he baited trial purposely,
Yes.
adamantly. Ma, they appealed sorry last time they appealed. They
Yes.
are old aged and they seems to be very scared of him. They came to, personally they came and informed me also. They could not tackle their son anymore. So if that is the case, then he baited trial has to be taken back and in custody. No? Okay. Just advice, help them because sometimes they suffer. As parents, I could see that fear in their eyes. No? Okay. Okay, Dean, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Just tell him, did you know that today is for pronouncement of judgment?
अब ये आपको पता है ना आज आप कर रहे हैं
Okay, 2 hours.
आपको भी पता है ना आप कर
Khasi,
रहे हैं
she is a Khasi. Or she is a
Yeah, she's Garo, ma'am.
Garo? Garo? Hindi आता? No. Okay. Shong, shong, shong. I have framed 2 points for determination. Whether the accused Provincial Abul Mia is a Bangladeshi national who had entered the Indian soil in violation of Para 3 of the Foreigners Orders 1948 or the provision of the Foreigners Act 1946 modified on 3rd December 2018 or any order made there under or any direction in persuasion of the Act for having no valid document that will liable him punishment under section 14C and 14A, capital A, small subclause B of Foreigners Act. If yes, whether the accused Miti Ganmirati Sama has abetted the main accused Abul Mia, who is a Bangladeshi national, if yes, no, if yes, then if I found that he is a Bangladeshi national, then whether the co-accused Gadmara Sama has abetted the main accused Abul Mia, who is a Bangladeshi national, to illegally enter the Indian soil without any valid document, and has allowed him to stay in a house at Tilagaon village, Southwest Khasi Hills district, Meghalaya, India, in order to liable her under section 14 capital C of Foreigners Act. Against him, it's 14 subclause C, where and 14 clause A, subclause B of Foreigners Act. Back for her, 14 capital clause C, big C. Okay. I've gone through your arguments from both sides. Upon the handmade arguments advanced by by the counsels from both sides, and I've gone through the evidences on record. I'll see that the IO has stated that no evidence could be found on the claimed source information about the alleged criminal activities because earlier this case was registered even for the prosecution, the prosecution allegation in this case. At first, it was the police who received information that one Bangladeshi had come to the place at Tilagam to commit criminal activities under the IPC, but it was clarified by the IO. As per that source information, there is no evidence found by him regarding any other criminal activities, excepting the charge that he has come. He is a Bangladeshi national, has come into India, entered into India illegally without any document. And that he used to come and go to India and used to stay in the house of the co-accused, who is his wife. Okay. As per evidence on record of PW1, PW2, PW3, PW4, PW5, I have recuperated all those evidences, their evidences, and I would like to highlight here that the directions and orders referred to under subsection under section 14 subclause C encompasses a wide array of official mandates issued by the Indian officers, such as orders directing a foreigner to execute a bond, mandatory day-to-day reporting to the foreigners regional registration officer, FRRO, notices or orders directing a foreigner to depart from India. So from this prohibition under section 14C, which is the first charge against the main accused, Abul Mia, it seems to have referred only to those cases where visa has been issued, where a foreigner has a visa to enter India, but thereafter he failed to comply with directions and orders from the FRRO, or from he failed to comply any official mandates issued by the Indian government. Okay, but in the facts of this case, that issue does not arise. The accused throughout, right from the time of his interception to the time of his from the time of his interception and apprehension, his arrest, interrogation after arrest, during investigation, during evidence, up till 313, up till his statement before this court under section 313 CRP. Is it? Sorry, not 313. 351 corresponding section 351 BNSS, where he is made to answer to the evidences of all the witnesses. Throughout the stages, the accused admitted to be a Bangladeshi national who have entered the Indian territory without any documentation. What he claimed simply is just to visit his wife and children. He claimed that he has just come and go. He denied his stay. He said, I just entered illegally. Yes, admitted, illegally. Secretly he entered through the borders, but just to visit his wife and children. Thereafter he goes on. He goes away to Bangladesh. That is what he said. and I've gone through the evidences of all the witnesses in this case. None of the witnesses could vividly say that they have seen him state, yes, the very fact of his interception and apprehension in the Indian land, in our country, in the Indian land, at Tilgaon village itself, it shows he has entered and he could not produce any document. So he has illegally entered without any documentation. That fact, the defense, as a defense, you have disputed. None of the witnesses have seen him enter India. But at the same time, you admitted he was apprehended, intercepted in Indian soil without any document. Fact which is admitted by the accused himself throughout, right from his apprehension up to his answer under section 251, it says. So, in this case, it remains undisputed fact that he is a Bangladeshi national who have illegally and secretly entered into Indian soil without any documentation, without any documents. So it was illegal entry. However, regarding the charge on the section, so the accused, since undisputedly is a Bangladeshi who has illegally entered into India without any documentation, he is liable, very much found liable under section 14A(b) of Foreigners Act. However, the charge framed against him under section 14 subclause C is found not applicable to this case. There's no question of visa and all. There's no, where's the question of flouting or violating the orders of visa of FRRO or any orders issued by the government. Okay, because no visa at all in this case. So 14C does not apply at all. Okay. Okay. But regarding the charge of the wife, against the wife, Ganmerati Sama, I've gone through the evidences of all the witnesses. Mostly they are all police officers, excepting one independent witness who is a headman. The headman, he said, yes, the accused used to come and used to stay in the house of the wife. But he gave in and toppled his own evidence when he said, he admitted in cross that, yes, it is just a hearsay. Because why? I've just heard from others. He did not see by his own eyes that the accused Abul Mia used to stay in the house of Ganmera. Yes, the fact is there. He came and visited the co-accused, his wife and the children. But his claim is that he just come and go. Nevertheless, none of the witnesses here who are all police officers, their role rather is just from the point of interception, apprehension. Okay, so it cannot be expected from them to have seen him stay in the house of Ganmera. So the only evidence they are relying, the prosecution, is on the evidence of the headman. But the headman, he said, unfortunately, I did not see. I just hear from others that he used to stay in the house of Ganmera. So hearsay evidence, is it admissible? No, it's not. Hence, I give benefit of doubt to the accused, co-accused Ganmerati Sama. Okay? And I convicted the accused Abul Mia on the section 14A, subclause B. It should be, yeah, 14, section 14, clause A. then it should be subclause, right? B.
Yes, ma'am. Capital A and in bracket small b. ma'am.
Yes. I convicted the accused Abul Mia under subclause B of clause A of section 14 of Foreigners Act. Will hear on the quantum of sentence today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Just convey the message.
अबुल मियां,
Of the both of them, huh?
आपके खिलाफ जो सबूत मिला है वो ये है कि आप सच्ची में बांग्लादेशी हैं, ठीक है? तो इस वजह से आपको पनिशमेंट दिया जाएगा, ठीक है? आपको सजा दिया जाएगा। सजा क्या है अभी पता चलेगा, ठीक है? How about the later
Yeah.
one?
You are lucky because no witness has come to say they have seen him staying in your house. So they give you a down.
और गच्छेरा,
Gandhera.
दो गन्नेरा, हाँ गन्नेरा। आप पे जो छाछ लगा हुआ था ना, पुलिस ने जो बोला है कि आपने इनको जो है आपके घर पे रखा था, ठीक है? पर अभी क्या है, कोई सबूत नहीं है ये बोलने के लिए कि आपने ही उनको आपके घर में रखा है, ठीक है? तो मतलब सबूत नहीं है, इसके वजह से आपको छोड़ा गया है इस केस में।
With benefit of doubt.
तो मतलब कोई इतना अच्छा सबूत नहीं है बोलने के लिए कि आपने उसको आपके घर में रखा है, ठीक है? तो आप लकी है, मैडम बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है ना?
But we have to convict him.
तो आप ये जो अबुल मियां उसको तो सजा देना पड़ेगा क्योंकि सच्ची में वो बांग्लादेशी है, ठीक है?
क्यों रोना?
आप क्यों रो रहे हैं? मैडम पूछ रहे हैं। हाँ? क्यों रोता?
Ask him down. What's she saying?
She's saying that her minor child is dependent on him, that's why.
But the law don't allow. Just tell her, the law don't allow a foreigner to come here illegally. He can come by a different way. He can come by through proportional and through documentation. He can come to India, but then with the in the right through proportional.
मैडम बोल रहे हैं वो तो बांग्लादेशी है, कानून तो ये नहीं मानता है ना, वो बांग्लादेशी है, आप तो इंडियन हैं, ठीक है? तो अगर वो आना चाहता है तो मतलब डॉक्यूमेंट्स कागज सब बनवाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं है कि वो बांग्लादेशी तो मतलब अपने मर्जी से इंडिया में घुस सकता है, ठीक है ना?
अभी समझा ना अबुल मियां? बताइए।
आप तो समझा ना जो मैडम बोल रहे हैं? आप तो बांग्लादेशी है, तो बिना कागज का आप इंडिया तो एंटर नहीं कर सकते। तो आपने एंटर किया है, तो ये केस चला है, केस चलने के बाद तो आपको सबूत मिला कि आप सच्ची में बांग्लादेशी है, तो सजा तो देना पड़ेगा ना। तो आप समझ में आता है ना? अगर आना है इंडिया में तो आपको कागज सब बनवाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना?
Yes, let's see on the contract. What is the sentence for 40A? Supposedly.
It is fixed for not less than 2 years, but may extend to 8 years.
Okay, yeah.
14A bracket B, ma'am.
I have to read this out.
Imprisonment not less than 2 years, but may extend to 8 years. And also with fine, with not less than 10,000, but it may extend to 50,000.
You don't have Foreigners Act. Shall be punished with 14 AB. Shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 2 years, but which may extend to 8 years, and shall also be liable to fine, which shall not be less than 10,000 rupees. So what is your prayer?
No, pray let the punishment be given for 8 years. Let maximum punishment be given, yeah, na? 8 years and fine of rupees 50,000 now.
50.
50,000.
50.
50.
Okay. Yes. What is your sin?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the convict has no criminal antecedents, and during the conduct of trial, the accused cooperated with the investigation, attended court regularly, and complied with all the conditions, bail conditions, and never attempted to abscond or interfere with witnesses.
Yes.
And also, Your Honor, for the imprisonment 8 years, the accused has come to India only to meet his wife. He has not come to India with criminal intention. So I pray, Your Honor, that a minimum of 2 years punishment may be given to him, not 8 years, and also a fine of 10,000.
You pray for minimum, huh? 2 years and fine rupees 10,000.
10,000. Yes.
10,000.
Yes.
What about his detention period? Set off? To set off his detention period?
Yes, ma'am.
In event he failed to comply, what is your say? In event he failed to pay?
You know, let for 1 year simple imprisonment, you know.
Simple imprisonment
Yes, ma'am.
of 1 year. What about from your side?
3 months, ma'am.
Accused. Abul Mia and Sweetie Kanna. Di sama. Are present with their learned by CRATC, Sweetie.
order in 60 pages, it's delivered, pronounced local court in which accused is convicted. Is acquitted. Judge on the section 14C. Yeah, small c. Following aside, as it is not applicable to dismiss, but he is convicted under section is convicted under some clause B of clause C A of section 14 of Foreigners Act. Okay. Why the focus Smiti Kannada Isama is acquitted with the benefit of doubt for the charge under section 14 capital C of Foreigners Act. Sub on the acquittal of Smiti Kannada Isama and on the conviction of accused Abulmia under section under section 14 under section 14 with 8 small b of Foreigners Act. The IOP case is here. Is there any documentation? No documentation there. Nothing was seized.
No, ma'am.
Nothing was seized. Oh.
Only the mobile phone, ma'am. It was.
आपके पास क्या मिला? खाली मोबाइल फोन, खाली मोबाइल फोन, पैसा के क्या नहीं?
Okay. It is hereby directed to return the seized mobile phone of the convicted person.
Along with the SIM cards also, ma'am. SIM cards also are there.
This seized mobile phone and SIM card of the convicted person Abulmia of this order for compliance. Yeah, because this also it has done like nothing was found, right?
No, ma'am.
He did not do CTR. He did not do any
No, ma'am. No.
CF and all.
Nothing incriminating from these materials.
Mobile phone SIM card of the convicted person from which
Well, he did not procure for CAF or CTR and all.
No,
right?
ma'am.
From which nothing was suit by Dayu for investigation. Further sites on quantum of sentence during which none additional PP Shri R. Thank submitted that the maximum sentence of rigorous imprisonment of 8 years with fine of rupees 50,000 may be awarded since accused has voluntarily entered the Indian Bureau without documentation, and that in event to pay fine, in event of failure to pay fine, to award him simple imprisonment of 1 year. I have bracket 1 year. Okay. Learned device CRATC. Smithy, the entitled, submitted that the convicted person has no criminal antecedent, comma, has cooperated cooperated with investigation and trial, and also complied with bail conditions, and never tampa stroke hampa evidence stroke witnesses, and that his coming to India is simply to make visit to his wife to co-accuse and his children, and has not committed any criminal activities.
Also, ma'am, that he is a first-time offender.
Has no criminal antecedent, it means what? Primary offender. Okay, any criminal activities, hence rate to award him minimum sentence of 2 years with fine of rupees 10,000, and to set up his detention period, and that in failure to pay fine, he may be awarded simple imprisonment of 3 months. Also, just ask him how old is he? The convicted accused on being translated
29.
29.
Translated in Hindi, well conversant to him, to Smithy and Hasha, Khani to Learned CLATC, and Hasha, comma, he submitted that he is now,
29 years.
29 years old. Will be able to pay a fine.
Find this.
What he's doing now?
अभी क्या काम करते हैं? हजीरा।
and that he is from your MPRE, wage level up. So how much he earn?
कितना मिलते हैं? 700 700
700 a day. So it comes to
Oh, 400 400 Yes.
which level up earning rupees 400 a day. Rupees 400 a day. Regular?
ये रोज मिलता है? हाँ?
काम मिला
काम मिलता है
every day.
Okay. I think whether he will be able to pay fine. Your defense, the prosecution has asked for your sentence to maximum 8 years and fine of 50,000, while your defense has asked for minimum sentence of 2 years and fine of rupees 10,000. Will you be able to pay fine?
ये जो वकील है, सरकारी वकील है ना, आपकी सजा के लिए मांग रहे हैं 8 साल की जेल के लिए 8 साल और फाइन 50,000, ठीक है? पर आपका जो डिफेंस है ना, जो लॉयर है, आपका जो लॉयर है वो बोल रहा है कि आपको सिर्फ कम से कम सजा है, यानी कि सिर्फ 2 साल सजा के लिए और ये फाइन भी सिर्फ 10,000। तो आप फाइन भर सकते हैं? भर सकते हैं फाइन?
Whether his health is okay?
आप काम कर रहे हैं? No.
So he is providing for him.
तो आप घर का खर्चा के लिए आप दे रहे हैं?
And that. Matlab she is housewife, no?
Yes.
And that is why his wife and children are depending on him. For their livelihood. And he submitted. He will be able to. He will manage to pay the fine amount. If it is less, ma? If it is, how much he will pay?
आप 10,000 के लिए आप फाइन भर सकते हैं या उससे ज्यादा आप फाइन भर सकते हैं? आपका जो वकील है ना, वो सिर्फ 10,000 फाइन के लिए मांग रहे हैं आपके लिए, ठीक है? तो आप ये 10,000 फाइन भर सकते हैं या उसका ऊपर भी आप फाइन भर सकते हैं? ये कम से कम है 10,000, वो भर सकते हैं? वो भर सकते हैं?
He will manage to pay the fine amount if it is for rupees 10,000. Only. Do you understand? You have to go to jail.
आपको मालूम है आपको जेल तो जाना ही पड़ेगा, फाइन के साथ जेल भी जाना पड़ेगा। ऐसा नहीं सिर्फ फाइन देना है, जेल भी जाना पड़ेगा। आपको मालूम है?
जब नहीं कर सकता तो और सिंपल इम्प्रिजनमेंट।
अगर आप ये फाइन भर नहीं सकता ना, तो आपको आपकी जो सजा जो है ना 2 साल का सजा है और उसके अलावा भी आपको रहना पड़ेगा। How much will be?
It depends, ma.
Do you want to go back to Bangladesh?
तो आप बांग्लादेश वापस जाना चाहते हैं? मैंने पूछ रहे हैं।
नहीं, illegally you cannot stay here.
सजा
You
के
have to
बाद
come
भी
by proper documentation.
सजा के बाद भी आपको यहाँ नहीं रह सकते, यहाँ इंडिया में नहीं रह सकते, आपको जाना पड़ेगा बांग्लादेश। ऐसा नहीं कि सजा हो गया मतलब आप यहाँ पे रह सकते हैं।
And he submitted to
to go to Bangladesh, do not want to go to Bangladesh as he has a wife and children to look after. And he has explained that he has to come through proper channel and proper documentation if that will be the case. So like this now, there is also a way now for marriage. Those they can stay because of grown of marriage, but through proper channel. By an order, he should get an order. He should get he should be he should get that authority to stay. Just explain to him, mom.
अगर आप करना चाहते हैं ना इंडिया में क्योंकि आपका वाइफ है बच्चा है तो आपको शादी करना पड़ेगा शादी के लिए कागज चाहिए आपका जो घर है ना आपका जो ये बांग्लादेश है वहां से प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंट मतलब कागज वागज बनवा के आपको आना पड़ेगा ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ वाइफ है बच्चा है तो आप रह सकते हैं समझ में आ गया कागज वागज बनवाना पड़ेगा अगर रहना चाहते हैं ठीक है समझ में आ गया ऐसा नहीं है सजा के बाद आप रह सकते हैं ठीक है अगर कागज नहीं है तो आप यहाँ पे नहीं रह सकते
of 2 years cut and fine and with fine or rupees 10,000 only and if all thereof he shall undergo a simple imprisonment of 1 week. Why waste the public exchequer? Keep prolong more. The awarded fine amount paid by the accused, the same shall be deposited in the welfare fund of the last sum of the wife. Check his detention period since his arrest when? On 29/7/2025 till his release on 9/10/2025, which is 2 months. 2 months and 10 days. And 10 days is hereby set out. And the accused is to undergo the remaining sentence period. Like again, remaining. Remaining sentence period. So, let copy of this judgment and order be supplied to the convicted person free of cost. Let a copy of judgment and order be supplied to superintendent of district prison correctional home Shillong for information necessary action to pursue handling over the accused to Bangladesh BTR entry or to any applicable process after his sentence period is served by him. Let a copy of this judgment and order be supplied to district magistrate and superintendent police to run PP. This order will form part and parcel of the judgment, issue warrant and commitment on the sentence herein against the convicted. Shri Atul Mia.
Slow.
Okay, just inform him. I have awarded a sentence to him, 2 years with fine or rupees 10,000. And his sentence, his detention period of 2 months and 10 days is set off. He has to undergo the remaining sentence period.
आपको जो सजा है ना वो है 2 साल जेल में और 10,000 फाइन, ठीक है। तो क्योंकि आपने पहले जो अरेस्ट हुआ था ना तो आप जेल में था ना 2 महीना 10 दिन के लिए था, तो वो जो है वो माइनस किया जाएगा, ठीक है। जो 2 साल का है ना, जो 2 साल का सजा उसमें से माइनस हो जाएगा, ठीक है।
Is convicted on the surplus in bracket B of clause capital C clause E of section 99 section 14 of Foreigners Act. Also, while the accused, the co-accused someone is accused with mental health from the judge under section 40 capital C Foreigners Act of Foreigners Act. And the hearing on quantum of sentence from both sides taken up to date, which order has been passed in continuing pages of the judgment at page 17 to 18, whereby the convicted person was awarded 2 years rigorous imprisonment with annual fine of rupees 10,000 or rupees 10,000 in default payment of which he shall undergo simple imprisonment of 1 week and his detention
detention period of how many months? Of 2 months and 10 days. 2 months, 2 months, 2 months and 10 days has been set up, and he is to undergo remaining sentence period. Also, BA to apply to accept to all to all concerned as directed in the order which form parts and parcel of the judgment also of the judgment which is also followed. The judgment is also followed by specimen chart in one page at page 90 also. Page 19, which form part and parcel of the judgment. So, the judgment and so, BA to take step to all concern stop and case stands disputed on contest. Mounting in event they use or the convicted will pay the convicted person will pay the fine amount, the same is to be deposited, the same is to be deposited to welfare fund of TLSC, also. The secretary to LSC. Disposal for contestant. Okay, you print this judgment, give copy to the convicted person. Ganmara, you can go home while you go to jail. Okay, prepare to take him to jail. Okay. Prohibitions and Restrictions long tadi.
Accused camera make it leak.
Yes, she is crying here, and you're accused. You know what he said? Abul Mia, I don't want to go back to Bangladesh. That is what he said. And please ask his defense. You take him in jail and explain to him the procedure, how to come on marriage. If he wants to come to India, he can go through proper channel, how to come. And he have to have documentation. He have to get the authorization. More. Okay, you can advise him to go to FRRO office. No. There's a way. It's not the only one. We cannot be sentimental. We have to also protect our territory. Otherwise, everybody will flood here. Okay. The witness has come?
No, ma'am. No witness till date.
May I take a look, please?
Yes, good day. Ato, please.
Are you right?
Ato, please. There's no witness?
No, ma'am.
क्यों इतना रोता? अभी नहीं मालूम ना? हो सकता है ऐसा है ना? नहीं हो सकता. रूल है. बिना रूल कैसा आता? तो क्यों वो रोता? अब ये आपका वकील आ जाएगा जेल, आपको मिला तो वो बातचीत करेगा आपका साथ कैसा आना. हाँ, वो मदद करेगा, लेकिन ऐसा बिना कागज तो नहीं हो सकता. समझा? बैठो. Go. Tell Hasha, take her down. Talk sense to her. Call the court PI staff. Meanwhile, you take him to your
medical.
Yeah, to wherever you take him down first. Let the wife talk with him. बात करो आपका पत्नी और पत्नी. बात करो आपका पत्नी. समझा करो वो. ये रोना तो रूल हमारा कंट्री का रूल तो चेंज नहीं करेगा. नहीं हो सकता. इलीगल तो इलीगल है. ऐसा आता तो क्यों रोना? रास्ता है ना, आप करो अच्छे से. डॉक्यूमेंट के साथ आओ. ऐसा बात करो आपका पत्नी. Take him down, let him have a talk with the wife.
Okay, ma'am.
Then you wait for some documents from us, from the copy of the judgment of the accused. Okay. In the meanwhile, you can take also for his medical examination. It's okay. Oh ya Syah, banyakkan tu ya kah, banyakkan berusaha kes for KPI. Ma. I try my level best to speak in Hindi. I don't know. It makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. While doing this profession, started to speak Hindi. It cuts through.
Ya, susu betul ma'am.
Okay. Mubarak Hussain Mia.
Yes, ma'am.
हाथ उठाओ.
Yes, ma'am.
Meruful Rahman.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Mahfuzur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jahangir Alam.
Yes, ma'am.
Saim Hossain. हाँ. आप लोग ठीक है? ठीक है आपका वकील है उधर बीसी दिखा कि नहीं आपका वकील है I produced the PC from the citizen correctional home and on the grants in India to their residents hospital member. This when Portuguese they said they are healthy and fine and addition fee is present. You have to consent to which witness?
IO, ma'am.
Ayo?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's there?
Ilana, ma'am.
But he's not coming. Why didn't you ask him for fair?
I have asked, ma'am.
He said he will not come.
No, ma'am. No news yet.
Nay, what did the could be staff say?
I have not talked with the PI, ma'am. He's not there.
They just tell me. Just contact him. Maybe he is on the way. We'll wait or we'll pass order.
Okay, I'll just.
Contact him. Don't contact him.
No, ma'am.
Segera. Could be staff.
Oh, could be, yes, ma'am. I have his
Oh,
number.
you tell him to contact Salim.
Okay.
How many cases you have in Foxy case? 3. Witnesses has come. If he will not come, then we will get to pass order. Witnesses has come.
Yes, ma'am.
You can do that.
No. Seizure witness.
How many witnesses are there?
One through VC, 2 and a half company future. 3. Altogether 3, yes.
So you make the preparation and also I'll come. I am just waiting for this case and
Okay.
I'll come to.
Okay. Much obliged.
No information.
Ma'am, information has been the IO, the witness said that he's indisposed, so he has sent the Bluetooth message, ma'am.
Additional PP is present and submitted. We received information from the IO, SI Elano, that he is indisposed and could not come for his evidence today. Also, okay, whether the summon is there? When? Whether the summon is there? Okay, reissue the summon via e-process. Will you be the last witness?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Evidence. Okay. Thank you so much. साखी ने आया साखी अभी बीमार है इसलिए मैं आया दूसरा करे issue the summon fix accused are remanded back next date 14 days from here it will be 30th
Yes,
no 31st July today is Friday no today is Thursday right
16.
30th July okay done. Yes.
Good evening.
Bianco, district prison.
Okay, ma'am.